Hey guys, welcome back to Cameron and Ellison. Today we are going to be trying to make a Lego house. Now first of all, we are going to find a big green of, sorry, cancel the show. Wait, no. Sorry about that. But anyways, I'm going to have to take a minute. Bye. Sorry about that. I'm not getting a piece of tape. Sorry. That good? Okay, so basically this is going to build a big Lego house. And if you see a big piece of a green thing, then let me know. Hold on, I think I found the perfect thing. Okay, here it is. Okay, so this is going to be a platform. And our door is going to go right in the center here. And then I'm going to grab some pieces and start building. Grab some pieces and start building the house. Is what I always say. And let's start building. Can you guys see it okay? And then we're going to put some blues over here. And luckily, I packed some good stuff. Dun dun dun! I packed some good Legos for me to use. Right here. Now we get to build. And we get to start building. Dun dun dun! And now we get to build. So, what is going to be like putting some blocks on. It's going to be taking a while. Because we are not professionals. Because we're pretty much just plain old Lego builders. Pretty much what we are. Pretty much what we are, just plain old Lego builders. But pretty much everyone else is. But not us. But not the actual Lego pros. So let us putting these blocks on. This building, Lego people, like regular people. Oh my god, it is. My door's falling off already. Oh my god, that's so big. So we're just basically just building away. A toot toot. We're just gonna, oh my gosh. And here's the platform of the house. Now we're just gonna be building the tops. We're not gonna be having any rooms in here, because then it's too much blocks. So basically it's going to be building until we finish the house. And when we have a top done, finished place, we put on the roof. Right, guys? That's basically what we do when we're done. One piece. Just put roof on. Then we just build, I guess. It's basically easy because I got this big block, which I can take apart, see? Now it's basically building. We'll be trying to make this as big as we can. I'm gonna make it look like an old haunted house. Yeah, let's do that. This is a pretty cool house, right, guys? Ooh, I should make some inside scary little houses. Little holes inside of some stuff. Little holes. Ooh, I have a good idea. Let's do it. Luckily, I got this little skeleton. Dun dun dun. And I can make it. I can put it in here. Put it in here. What? Now I can start building around the skeleton. Actually, a Halloween movie you can watch. Kids YouTube, maybe. Maybe if I get my mom to put it on Kids YouTube, I can watch it. And you guys too. I like that. All these blocks are from a big tower I made till Elson knocked it down. The one who's not here today. But we're all going to be building this. So this is a cool little house. But we can just be building whatever we want. I need to find some good pieces. Oh, here we go. Ah! What? We should build up on the floor, huh? Hey guys, turn off the tape. So, here is the platform of the Lego house. The skeleton? Hold on, let me find the skeleton. Oh yeah, there's a skeleton. So, what is going to be building? Hey guys, so we're just going to be building with some Legos today. That is the platform of the house. And now we are done. Ta-da!